if someone hits the switch otherwise on accident, then you just sort of just take off.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got some water bottle was actually got lit. You can use this as a water bottle for an airplane. That's beautiful. Yes. And so when it's in this mode, it's cross vectoring correctly.
Yeah, it's worked on to actually set the heading, right? So once it sets the heading,
How does it know which direction it's going? All effects are